Now in this video we will discuss how you can create discussions in a Canvas course. Discussions are very important for student engagement, and most of the time discussions are a good way of assessment, so they are also graded in most cases. So one thing you should always remember that whenever you want to put a discussion, you must plan class discussion, and in my opinion at least you should take care of these 5 things. What will be the topic of discussion, whether this discussion will be graded or not, what are your expectations from the student, and then you have to put clear instructions to the student that these are my expectations, these are the questions, etc. And then the last thing is, which is also very important, that whether you are going to put some files or some media contents for students to consume before they start discussion. For example, you can put an essay in the form of a PDF, and then you can ask students to discuss any topic mentioned on that particular file. Or better if you can put some video for students, giving them a topic and also the instructions. And now let us see how we can make a discussion. So for example, I want to initiate a discussion in this course, my Gmail mastery course. So I click on that, and on the left hand side I have these discussions. I click on that, and if in my class I have a lot of discussions which I don't have, then I can search by using this search bar, and I can change the settings of discussion by clicking on this gear icon. If I click on this, these are few options I have, whether I want to manually mark students' comments and posts when I read them, and whether I allow students to create discussion topics, and whether I want to allow them to edit or delete their own posts, and whether I want to allow them to attach files to discussions. Normally this should be unchecked, and this should also be unchecked. It is up to you whether you want to check this or not, and then simply save settings. And this page is called a discussion index page, and on this page we have 3 portions: pinned discussions, then we have discussions, and then we have third part in which all the discussions for which the comments have been closed will be automatically placed in this area. So this is one discussion, as you can see, and in the similar manner if I create more discussions, those will appear here, and then after a certain time when I close the comments, those discussions will move to third part. Now let us start a discussion by clicking on this plus discussion icon, and the name of this discussion is 3 Gmail features which you use the most. So in one of my videos in this course, I have expressed some of Gmail features, and I want to ask my students what 3 of these features you use the most. So I want to put my instructions here, and this is a Google document. So in this Google document I have some general instructions applicable to any discussion, and then I can put some specific instructions. But in this case I simply copy this and I place it here, Control V, Control C, Control V, you can copy and paste. And now I want to put a video here. This is the option, record or upload a media. So I click on that and I upload media, and I select a video file, and let us say I want to add this video which contains some instructions for students and the brief explanation of the topic, and I click open. You can also record your instructions by pressing on this record media if you want, but because I have pre-recorded files, so I want to use that. And now this file has been added, and here I have the ability to put this discussion to any of the sections, course sections, but because I don't have any sections and I have selected just all sections here, I could have also attached this video file, but it is always a better option to put the media inside the rich text editor, because it is easier for students to click straight away here and get the instructions. And now here are few more options, and if you want students to allow linking to outside websites, you can do that, but I normally don't allow this. So simply click on graded. I want this discussion to be graded, and then this is the group discussion, so I can click here, and then here I can select student group, then I can assign, let's say, 10 marks, and these will be points. And assignment group can also be specified here. I can create a new group as well, but I will keep this activities group. And if I want this discussion to be peer reviewed, I can check this box. I want to assign this to everyone. Although I only have one student enrolled in this course, you might have a lot of students. In that case, you can also assign this to any particular student as well. Then the due date, for example, let's say the last day of this month is the due date, and then I can put some available dates, let's say from 17th up to 30th. And now I can save this as a draft, or I can straight away publish this discussion. So in this case, I want to save and publish, and now this discussion has been published. As you can see that here is a due date, and as you can see that this is a graded discussion, 10 points possible. And now if I click on discussions in that particular course, Gmail M&P, I can see this second discussion in the discussion area, its due date, and whether it has been published or not. I can unpublish this. If I click on that, it will be unpublished, and now I can publish this again. Then there are 3 dots. If I click here, I can pin this to top. So if I click pin, now it will be in the pinned area, and if I want to move this at the top, I can simply drag this and place it at the top. Now when students will log in, they will click on that just like this. They will see the general instructions, then they can click on that and video will be played, and then they can enter their reply here. When they click on this area, then this rich text editor will be displayed, and then they will be able to use some of the features of this rich text editor, and they can place their reply, which I will be able to grade later on. So this is how you create class discussions in a Canvas course.